Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all y'all. Y'all already know where I'm headed off to. Yeah, Walmart baby. Whew. Double car. Bump this. Alright. We're back in motion now. What in the world? Is this not a good shopping cart or something? Oh my gosh. I guess we ain't back in motion yet. Alrighty. We're gonna do this again. We're starting off in the fresh produce section just like yesterday. See, I just got off of work for my first shift. So, yeah, from work, I just came straight over here to get some more fruits and veggies for the smoothie. Ah, yes. I wonder what type of veggies should I get? I'm thinking like cucumbers and spinach. And maybe even some carrots. You know what? Let me get another ginger. Look at this. I can't say no to this. Got another big old batch of ginger. Yeah, because at my home, ginger is in very high demand. You good, ma'am? Okie dokie. Let's see. I already bought a big old batch of apples yesterday, so I don't need no more. Let's see. Oh, honeydew. Yeah, I'm gonna get honeydew. It's been a while since I bought that. It's been like years, I tell y'all. It's not that expensive, it's not that cheap. It's fairly priced for my budget. My budget is slightly bigger today. So I want to buy some more food. Yeah, baby. I'm going to get some pineapple. Let's see, should I get one or should I get two? No, maybe just one. My budget's a little bigger than yes. Two would be in. Now I need something a little more ripe than that. So I'm planning to use the pineapple today. Oh no. Did it bump into something when it was getting shipped over here from its homeland or something? Let's see, where's it from anyway? No, it said to be from Charlotte, North Carolina. I thought it was from Ecuador or something. Okay. See, I don't want it like this. I want it a little more yellow. Like I said, I'm going to use it today. Oh, this was almost spoiled. This was a little too ripe for my taste. Oh, no. Have any of y'all ever had spoiled pineapple? Like, it has a very sour and bitter taste to it. I had to spit that out. Like, oh no, it doesn't have that juicy, sweet flavor. All right, come on up. Oh no, wait, I already checked that one out. No, I might just have to go with this and wait until tomorrow to ripen up some more because this batch of pineapples right here, most of them are not ripe enough, and I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of time sifting through all of them. You know, I'm a little tired. I done worked. Yeah. Y'all know the feeling. See, normally I would be all over this section, but since I'm on the weight loss journey, I'm just looking at it and I'm not feeling the ways. I'm just like, okay. Yeah, whatever. I ain't getting none of that. Like, for real. Like, that's exactly what I'm thinking right now as I look at those goodies. I'm more interested in looking at this. You know, the fruits, veggies, health drinks. If I'm gonna get tempted, I'd rather get tempted to eat healthy than get tempted to eat a bunch of junk. You feel me? But see, I've been like back and forth with this whole weight loss thing. And now I'm finally losing the weight and actually sticking to the plan and not falling off. Now I want to get this batch of avocados, but they're a little too ripe. That concerns me, so Next batch. Next batch! That's a little too hard. It'll take like 2 or 3 days for them to ripen. No. See, avocados in high demand in my house as well. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my god, these are too soft. Oh no. What is with this batch? This seems like a bad batch. Like, the bags are either too hard or too soft. I'll just keep sifting until I find a bag of avocados that are just right for my liking. Now, these are pretty ripened, but they're not like too ripened. But let me like inspect them a little more. Yeah, I'll take them. Okay, let's see what I got so far in the shopping cart. Ginger, honeydew, pineapple, and avocado. Alrighty. Let me slow it down a little bit. What am I gonna get next? I did mention getting some more veggies. Yeah, because I got plenty of fruit. Get some spinach. I need my greens. Certified organic cucumbers. Oh yeah, I definitely need these. Let's see. Let's see what I got so far. This should be enough. Yeah. Enough for this shopping spree. Now let me take one more look at this pineapple. I could probably use it today. Yeah, I could use it today. No, judging by how it's looking. You know, fine. I could cut it up today. No problem. And toss it in the smoothie. And that's a good thing. All right. On to self-checkout I go. Woo! Oh, here comes the sweets. I'll pass. Oh, look at these. I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely love these. Like, I've been liking them ever since I was a little girl. Like, oh my gosh. I'm now having a harder time resisting these than the sweets. My, oh my. Okay, let me just walk away before I actually snatch it up. No cash. Alrighty. No problema. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, look at this now. Yeah, honey. I went under, not over this time around. Woo, yes. Everybody who knows me knows I am a money-saving fanatic. Oh, wait, hold up. Gotta have my receipt ready for the worker by the door. Y'all know how they be at Walmart. They're trying to crack down on stealing. Yo, sir. All right, thank you. You too, sir. You're welcome. Take care. Thank you. All righty. Out the door I go. I love it when my shopping sprees are this fast, like just in and out. Oh, yeah. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to this channel, alrighty? Take it easy and God bless.